Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Scholars Solutions.
Did she take it?
No.
Thank you. What are we doing?
This is Scholars Solutions, where we answer questions our scholars send in.
That's cool. Can I help?
Okay. Cool. I'm Kaylee, and you are?
Chwak. That's my last name. My first name is actually...
Okay. Alright, first question.
No one ever cares.
Oh, I can't.
Oh, I thought my handwriting was bad.
You can try reading that one. I can't read that.
This could be a Mayan prophecy for all I know. Why?
I do see like a little temple in there. Maybe some Illuminati.
Don't even try. Do you have someone who like reads these before they get here?
No.
Really should get some.
Maybe. What is a good movie to watch on a rainy day? From Movie.
You think someone with that name here would know?
Yeah. A movie on a rainy day? You could be doing homework.
Yeah, seriously.
What is wrong with you?
Every rainy day, homework.
Homework. You have so many things to do. Shame on you for not taking initiative. Do your homework, kids. Stay in school. This next question. Who's really in the seawolf costume from a basketball?
It's a costume?
Yeah. It's a person in the seawolf
Are
costume.
you sure?
Yeah.
But Mr. Rahman told me there was an actual seawolf walking
No,
around.
it is not an actual seawolf.
Suck.
Well, actually, there are a lot of these. How many scholar dollars do I need to give a teacher for a good word to be said about me for parent-teacher conferences? Well, parent-teacher conferences have already passed.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
And you all suck, so none.
Yeah.
Next question.
Plus, do we even use scholar dollars for anything at all?
No, I haven't seen one of those since like 2 years ago.
No.
Maybe there's some like black market for scholar dollars.
Yeah, I think so. How much we can pay about
Okay. Can you pay attention?
No. Not generally, no.
Alright. Next question. This is really small. Why did I get such a small paper from a short person?
That's discriminating.
That is discrimination.
And we're both really
We
short.
do not tolerate discrimination here at the Scholars Academy.
Especially not short people. We're fun size, by the way. It's not short. Fun size. Get that straight.
Alright, next question.
I want to collect these.
Dear Scholars Solutions.
Should I not have done that?
No.
I wouldn't have there.
What is the difference between a polysaccharide and a monosaccharide? From an elder junior. Okay, do I talk? Do I like actually give an education lecture? Because this is not for educational
We don't have time for
purposes.
this.
I think you need to go and talk to the teacher if you're having problems
Talk
about
to Mr.
basic
Nair.
biological concepts.
Sorry, Miss Panera, but we don't have time to answer
Yeah, but I don't have
questions.
time. I'm sorry. Like I tutor, but like,
Figure that out. Google's really helpful.
Google.
It takes the time to write in a letter to a question, and you can just Google.
Next question. Where can I sign up for film club? Sincerely, a film club member.
I don't know, I just realized we had a film club.
If you are a film club member, you are already in film club.
Yes. Who would ask that? Who was it? I mean, this is all the film club people right here. Who?
Okay, this is a up and coming club.
Yeah. Tell me about it.
It is.
What's your budget here?
I'm not gonna answer any insider questions. Okay. Next question. Dear Scholar Solutions, if I set off the door alarm, can I pass it off as the fire alarm?
Well, they sound different. Like one goes like beep, 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 and another one does the flashing lights in the room.
It's a party up there.
Yeah. They're different.
They are different. I don't think you should be setting off any alarms. You'll probably get expelled for that.
Yeah, Brandeis wouldn't like that, right?
Just my one. They don't.
They don't really care about any of you.
So, don't set off any
Don't
alarms.
set off stuff.
Don't
Set off anything.
Just don't do anything. Just don't do it.
You're a stupid question.
Next question. Oh, there are 2 questions here. Why aren't there Scholars shoes? And where can I get the Scholars logo for my sneakers? For your sneakers?
Oh God! Who would do that?
What are those?
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
That?
What are those?
Do you have
What are
nothing
they?
else? That's all you had?
No,
That's
I
all
can
you had to
literally
describe
only.
it?
I can
Seriously? What are
only
those?
say. What are
That's
those?
all you had?
You tell me. What are they? What are
No,
those?
an abomination.
In all seriousness, what are those?
An abomination.
Someone get this out of here. Anyone want to? There was no need to do that.
What would he do that to the poor shoe?
Okay. Our last question.
Oh God.
Did it. I'm just writing this to make it seem like I'm working. The teacher keeps looking at me. What's due for homework? Oh right, she's still watching me. Oh right, she's stopped.
Yeah, that was me. I wrote that before I walked in. Is it? We done? Cool. Alright. Nice meeting you. I gotta go to class.
That was all for another Scholar Solutions, and we hope to see you next time.